Hi all, today I'm going to design this Candy Crush page. I have few buttons and some of the background I'm going to do. For this I have used HTML and CSS. I have this already existed file in that I'm writing code. I have taken one class, inside the class I have title and subtitle I'm adding inside title. And downside I'm adding few buttons. I needed four buttons. I'm removing this last button I don't need and writing CSS right. For body we needed font family sans serif and Arial, and background color I'm taking as this color. I have used a display property flex. Justify content center I taken, and align item also I taking as a center. The height 100 VH I taken, and margin I have taken 0. For container I'm writing CSS code. Width I am taking as a 300, and for this I needed one background color. This is the color I have used, and radius as well I needed. I'm taking as a 15 pixel, and box shadow I needed. So for this I am taking as a RGB color. And text line should be center. For title I am writing some styles. Font size should be 16 pixel, or let me take 24 pixels, and the color should be white, and background color I'm taking this color. On the display property inline block, padding I'm adding radius as well. And text shadow I'm adding. This should be 16 pixel. This actually this style taken as a subtitle, but now I'm writing style for title. So for this font size should be 24 pixel, 28 should be bold, and color text shadow I'm adding, and border on the margin bottom also I needed. And here I taken as a border radius 30 pixel I'm modifying, it should be 8 pixel, and the margin bottom it should be 20 pixels. So for BTN I'm writing some of the styles, display property and width and margin as well, and padding when needed, and the background color it should be this color, and the color should be white, and the font size should be 16 pixel. It should be uppercase, and border should be none. Radius should be 8 pixels. Cursor, pointer I'm taking. Box shadow also needed. So when I hover on, I needed some of the styles, especially background. So I'm adding this color, and if it is active, I needed box shadow, none, and text transform should be translate 4 pixel. And I load this page, I can see this design. Thanks for watching.